Hello and welcome to another update video about Cosmos Atom. Haven't covered this for a little while. We're also tracking here a potential 1-2 setup, but it is, in my opinion, higher risk than other coins. At least caution is still required here, okay? So let me explain. First of all, if we take a look at the context of this coin and the chart, we can see that the move up of the June 22 lows, the move up was not impulsive. That leaves a lot of room for interpretation. So while I count this as a potential wave 1, it could also be a wave 4 of a correction and we could be trending lower. Maybe we even deal here with some kind of a triangle pattern, which is still not finished, bearish wise, okay? But from a bullish point of view, I should add the bullish count, I should add the yellow color to the bullish count. So the bullish wave count is yellow. Honestly, we can give it a chance as long as it's holding now $7.93. We're going to explain why. The move up, unfortunately, was not impulsive, and that's the key problem here. Context is always important about a chart, and because the context is not clearly bullish, we need to be on the side of caution. No impulse to the upside always means caution. Now, since this high, price is corrected in a wave W, X, Y, in what I can consider in the bullish interpretation a wave 2. We can allow for a bullish interpretation still because it never broke and sustained below the 78.6 retracement that was here at $8.07. Yes, it broke below it, but it recovered very quickly, so it has a chance. However, the pure fact that it just briefly broke it makes it potentially bearish. Potentially, but it recovered and it rallied in 5 waves. Again, here we've got the next problem. It didn't rally in an impulse. It rallied in an overlapping corrective wave structure. Taking together that issue together with the context, which isn't clearly bullish. Yeah, you know, that's why I've added here the orange support area, which means it's a bit higher risk. It's more like a wait and see, not really a confident wave setup for a third wave rally. It can work. And it is a reward and risk setup which is favorable. However, be on the side of caution. I would count this as a wave 1 up in the bullish interpretation. $10 here, let's call it $10.20, is resistance, and the move down could be an ABC structure here in wave 2, but it needs to form a low here somewhere between basically now and $7.93, which is the 78.6 retracement of the move to the upside between the 10th of June low and the 3rd of July high. This is a 3-wave move down. The C wave is pretty full. It doesn't need to come down any lower. It could still, but it needs to show a reversal pattern somewhere here between where we are now and 793. And it still could drop another 5 to 6%, but that should be it. Because below that level, things are going to turn into bear mode. So at the moment, I am giving it the chance to rally here in the 3rd wave, but I can tell you I'm not fully confident. And if we see a break above the trend line, that would be a first early signal that the trend could be shifting to the upside. Until then, we need to be on the side of caution, very much on the side of caution. Without a reversal signal, I'd be extremely careful here. And it would need to take a break above, as I said, the trend line and then above 1020 to get into a more sustained uptrend. Target for the 3rd wave, if it happens, would be at least 1280. So again, you can see it's a pretty decent reward to risk ratio, but just without a signal to the upside, potentially dangerous. But you can see that we had 5 waves up, so we can work with a bullish setup, and we have pulled back quite a lot. So we're getting into a region where, as I said, reward to risk is favorable. Also looking at the indicators on the 4-hour, we were already oversold. One more low could potentially give us a bullish divergence that it would need to rally. So, but again, without a signal, there's no low in place. So we need 5 waves up, 3 waves down to have that signal. Okay, that's my update about Atom. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.